Hello, it is Isaac from Wood Designer, and I'm currently looking at this project that has been sent to me. And the problem that we're having is we're in VCarve, we've applied our toolpath template to all of our nested components. And you'll notice that currently there is no toolpath assigned to these holes, and it's the same on every single sheet. So in this project, it is this layer here. My 5mm holes that are 15mm deep have not been assigned to a toolpath template. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at finding my 5mm in my toolpath template and seeing why it's not applying, or creating a new toolpath template to go alongside that. So what I'm going to do is I need to remove my toolpath template, and I need to do that from all of my sheets, so there's nothing currently included. And I want to select the sheet that has my missing drilling, so any of them will really do, but I'll just do this first one. And I'm going to apply my toolpath template again, but I'm going to apply this a little bit differently this time. When it says, would you like to apply this template to all the sheets, I'm going to say no, because I only want to apply it to the first one. What I want to do is go to this option here, create the missing layers. Press OK, and it's going to apply my total toolpath template. So now I can look at this a little bit better. If I go into my drill 5P12, that's my only 5mm drill in this template. This has a penetration value of 15, while my template only has 12. If I go into this and have a look, you can see I'm only applied to this layer here, not actually the 15mm layer. So what I'm going to do, I could adjust that so that my 12mm depth drill does assign to that, but I don't actually want to do that. What I want to do is make a brand new toolpath here. So I'm going to right click on the layer I would like and come to my drilling toolpath. And I'm going to choose my depth of 15mm. I'm going to choose the drill I would like to use, my 5mm. I might turn off my pecking drill for this one, and I'll call it drill. Diameter 5mm and a penetration value of 15. And I could say my tool number as well, and let's say maybe it's tool 06, for example. I want to go to my vector selector here, and I want to make sure that I'm associating with toolpath, and I'm choosing that new layer, the 15mm deep. Press close and calculate. What I want to do is make sure that this here is moved up higher so that it's in line with my 15. If I have it with my 12mm deep, if it's down here, it will actually machine it after my profiling. So let's set it before the profiling on my list. And what I'm going to do is close and select all of these layers, or sheets, or layers, or sheets or layers. And what I'm going to do is now save all visible toolpaths, or sorry, save the selected toolpaths as a template. No, sorry, it will be all visible. And I'm going to save that as a new template. So I'll just call it new toolpath template for the moment. Once that's done, let's do this one more time. Let's go through and delete my toolpath template here, and now just load a new one. And this time, click out, click in, yep, or sheets, load a toolpath template, my new toolpath template. Would I like to apply to all sheets? Yes. And we should see that run through every single sheet. And if we've done it correctly, we'll have that new toolpath align. So that is now finished applying to all of my sheets. And if I zoom in, you'll see now that I have a toolpath applied there. And this 5mm, 15mm deep toolpath is now associated with that new layer that we didn't have before. So that is now in my toolpath template. I've created a new toolpath template file that is including that missing layer. I hope that's been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching.